Hi all, Mrs. Olson here. I'm just going to take a moment to explain our Wednesday folder. So you're going to notice when you go into math and you're going to see today's folder is listed as September 30th, but you're also going to see it's listed through September 30th through October 7th. That is because everything that's in this folder is week-long learning. Expect that we will start it today and you will assess on it next Wednesday. So I'm not going to assign any new learning on Wednesday. The only thing we will be doing next Wednesday is to be ready to take the assessment for everything that's in this folder. So let's take a look at what's in this folder. We'll click on September 30th through October 7th. You're going to see the leverage target 1, compare and order fractions. The word leverage target is just an important target that is expected for us to know in 6th grade. So being able to compare and order fractions is an expected target, and we kind of put heavy weight on that as a 6th grade student, so that's why we call it a leverage target. So go ahead and click on that folder. You're going to see 4 different folders in this folder. On this Wednesday, you're not going to see this Check Your Learning folder. I'm not going to publish this yellow Check Your Learning folder until next Wednesday, but I'm just going to show it to you now so you know what to expect next Wednesday. So inside of this folder, you're going to see there's a green folder. This is the parent guide folder. When you click on the parent guide, there's just some information in here that might be helpful if a parent is trying to help you with this target. You can also, as a student, go through and look at that as well, but just know that this is extra support when it comes to compare and ordering fractions. The other folder you'll see is the pink folder. The pink folder is your pretest. As a student, this is where you're going to start. So you'll click on the pretest. Remember, pretest means you're going to take this test before you're learning. So we want to see where we're at with comparing and ordering. So you'll click on compare and ordering numbers and then take that pretest. When you're done with the pretest, notice the problems that you got wrong. This is important to focus on those items that you're not quite understanding yet. You'll go back into that compare and ordering fractions and you'll head into that purple folder which says learning videos in practice. So for the next week, what you'll want to do is go through that folder and watch the necessary videos that will help you understand this target. Now, if you're feeling like after you've watched maybe a couple of these that you really are understanding and you don't need to do all of the learning that's in that folder, or you feel like you want to try giving some of it practice, then you can kind of skip and work through however you would like, because there's lots of learning in here. Same with the practice. If you've done a few, you might want to do a couple problems from here, maybe a few problems from here. Oh, and then maybe you don't even get to this one because you're feeling like, yep, I feel like I have a good understanding of comparing and ordering right now, and I would be able to take that assessment and get 100% on it. So then that's the practice and the videos. And then, like I said, next Wednesday, you'll see a yellow folder that says Check Your Learning, and you will take the assessment that is in this folder. Notice that this is a post test, so this is to see where you're at after you've been working on that for a week and learning on it for a week. So this is graded, the comparing and ordering decimals post test. If you have questions, as always, make sure you check in with your teacher, and good luck.